It's Friday, short week, but hey, we still got to get it in. It's Friday. Expecting some sell-offs today. Already got more support at 138.50 on Nvda. If you don't already know Nvda, I trade Nvda just about every single day. So got my downtrend. It's on a downtrend right now. Just waiting on this market to open. We got about a minute before it opens. It is a Friday, so it will be a short day. Will be a short day. And we ready to rock and roll on Monday. Got 40 seconds left. Keeping it right here on NVIDIA. Let's see what we got going on today. Yesterday was a 16%. So we're going to take a little time today. If we don't trade, hey, it is what it is. We're just waiting on this market to open. We got this downtrend going on. Touch, touch, touch. And then we're currently headed down right now. We got lower highs and lower lows going on. 3 seconds, two, one. The market is open. Whoa. Here we go. So we bounced off of this 138. Perfect resistance bounce right here. Perfect resistance bounce. Perfect resistance bounce. This is now resistance. Boom. 138, 38. That double bottom. See if we crack that. Oh, going every which way but loose. 138.34, 138.31. What a bounce. Let's see. Will we break the 138.31? You know they don't like even numbers, and there you go. Here we go with the flush. Keep going. 138. Keep going. See what's going on. Get back. 5%. I went on and took that. I was holding it too long. I held it too long, man. Yeah, I went on and took the 5%. I held it too long. Man. Well, I missed the flush. 137.72. I missed the flush. Dang. I got 5% out of that deal. I missed the flush though. I was actually just holding it too long. I was just holding it too long. 137.72. All the market is red today. Bro. When we break this support right here, looks like we're gonna break it. There it go. We broke that support. Friday sell-off. I said it before the market opened. Fridays usually are sell-off days. 137.45. I want to try one more since I know we're going down. On 37.38. Where's the next support line while I'm tripping? Next support line. We're right up on the next support line right now. I'm not gonna put it in. We're right up on the next support line right now. That's why we're getting the bounce. Well, I already got it in. Wait, no, I don't. 130. We're right up on the next support line. 137.36 to the downside. I think I'm gonna jump in on this to the downside for my second trade. 137.36. I'm chasing right now. I gotta remember that. So I gotta be very careful because we already made the move. On Fridays, you got to be in and out. I made a mistake earlier where I could have got more than the 5%, but I just held instead of just getting out like I was supposed to. 137.36. Instead of getting out like I was supposed to, I held too long, but I still got 5% out of the deal. Right now, if I jump in, I will be chasing. But I pretty much know we're headed down. Gotta change my contracts now. No, I can keep the same ones. I pretty much know we're headed down even further. Stock market is predictable once you know what's going on. Once you know how to read the charts, see, steady going down. Basically pulling money out of thin air at this point. Making gains like none other at this point. Steady going down. Will we all go all the way down here to this support line? I need to change that to green. Are they pulling it all the way down in the 135, 85, 136 area? Right. Well, they pull it all the way down. I did not get in. Hold on a second. I'm trying to get. Okay. All right. 130. Move this right here. 136.77. We're down 2%. Man, the market is really selling off on this Friday. The market is really selling off. Everything's selling off. SPY, where it's on the bounce now. Bounce. Microsoft. Facebook. Amazon. AMD. Even Bitcoin selling off. Hood. Walmart. I want my $88, Walmart. Nvda. Back to Nvda. Everything looks like it's on the move on up. Should I switch to a call action to the upside? No, we're gonna see more pain, more downside, more downside. We're up under this. We're up under the support line right now, 138.58. Boy, we got a sell-off going on today on Friday. We got a sell-off going on Friday. What the stock market gonna do today? How will the stock market do? Yeah, we see what it's doing. The stock market is falling off. If I get in right now, we'll be chasing this stock. I will be chasing if I just jump in right now. On 36.32. Starting to move slow now. So we're gonna go up under this 136.32 area. Wow. Well, looks like they pulling it, y'all. Looks like they pulling it all the way down. Ooh, pull it down. Dang. They're gonna get it to the 130, 36 area. Tesla's down. One 36.20. It looks like that's the bottom. See what's gonna happen. Oh, I got it on 3 minute. Whoa, I'm tripping. Jeez. I had it on the wrong time frame. I had it on the wrong time frame. Trying to get above the EMAs. We've been the market been open for 20 minutes. Back up under the EMAs. I'm gonna move this. No, I'm gonna move this one to right there for right now. And I'm gonna take, because I want to keep making support and resist over and over. So I'm gonna take some of these old ones. We're inside of the channel right now. On 36.20. Back selling off again. We're clearly up under the EMAs. 20 minutes in the market. Huge sell-off. Huge sell-off. "20 minutes in. The market been open for 20 minutes. AMD is green now. AMD is green. Dollar General is now green. Tesla selling off again. The SPY and Nvidia look similar. Uh-oh. The SPY and Nvidia look similar. Let's see. I'm comparing Nvidia to the SPY. It looks like the SPY is, Nvidia is following the SPY. That's what it looks like. All the EMAs are up under the candle on the SPY. See if the SPY gonna turn around and make a move on up. Yeah, it looks like everything is slowing down. All the volume is going away. It is Friday. I got to keep that in mind. It is Friday. Volume is starting to get weak. Check out the SPY. You know, they are really, really similar. Similar. The SPY and the overall stock market and Nvidia. They look very, very similar. As Nvidia trying to get back above the resistance. Like 136.20 might have been the bottom. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Just watching to see what's going on. I'm waiting to see if I can get my entry on Walmart long term. I hope I can Monday or Tuesday. I need to get back up under $90 so I can pick up a few shares long term on Dollar General. No, Walmart. Excuse me, Walmart. I'm looking to get in around under $80. I mean under $90 on Walmart. I mean on I don't know. No, not on Walmart. On yeah, on Walmart. Yeah, on Walmart, I'm trying to get in long term under 90. And on Dollar General, trying to get in around 70. Let's get back to Nvidia. Whoa. No, wrong time frame. Trying to sell off on Nvidia. When we break this 136.20 area, on Nvidia to bring more pain to the downside. Appreciate you for hitting the like button. Thank you. AMD is now back red. Uh, let's see. Yeah, it's getting really, really slow. Yeah, when it gets slow like this, it's Friday. Yeah, it's getting really, really slow. You can see these are 1 minute candles and they barely moving. 5% so far on the early day. I'm looking for something else, but it's Friday. You know, holidays, it's gonna get slower and slower. I gotta find something that's moving. Tesla. I want to see if we're gonna break this 136.20 support area. That's what I want to see. What's gonna happen when we get down to here? Because it looks like we want to head down even further at this point. Let's see what the SPY doing, because it was, yeah, mirroring each other. Let's see, the double top. It's similar. The SPY headed down. Nvidia's headed back down. Yeah, I think we're going to break this 136.20. Appreciate y'all for hitting the like button. Thank you. But I think we're going to break this one for sure right here. We're going to break this. Here we go right now. Whoa. Double bottom bounce. Double bottom bounce. Let's see what it's going to do. It's a double bottom bounce. The EMAs are on top of the candle. Here we go. There goes the break. There goes the break. Whoa. Let's see what the SPY doing. Busting down. Yeah. Nvidia is following the SPY. That's exactly what's happening. Come on, bro. Nvidia is following the SPY. Yeah. More pain on Nvidia too. More pain on Nvidia. The SPY is selling off. There go Nvidia. Let's see. Yep, look. Ooh. And then there go Nvidia. Boy, I tell you, reading these charts, bro. Woo! Reading these charts. Bro, sell off 135.75 on Nvidia. Support line 130, 135. Oh, bro. We finna flush out, man. We finna flush all the way out to the downside. Bro. We finna flush all the way out. 135.75. The stock market don't like odd numbers. That's a low of the day. Don't like it. 135.75, the low of the day. It is an odd number. Yep, following the SPY. The SPY go up, Nvidia goes up. You know, the SPY used to be my number one. Used to be my number one day trading tool that I used to use every single day for day trading. The SPY. Let's see. Nvidia is following the SPY. And we're gonna break that 135.75. Why? Because the stock market don't like odd numbers. They don't like it. That's what I have seen. The stock market don't like odd numbers as a low or as a high. There we go. Boy, 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 boy. 135.67, still an odd number. Still an odd number. Now I'm back on the SPY. Boy, that was a great question I asked, man. What will the stock market do today? Well, we see what the stock market is doing today. Look, selling off. That's what it's doing today, Stock Sniper. Big sell-off. Big sell-off. Big sell-off. 135.64. Now that's an even number. Ooh. Still breaking down. Wait, let me see what AMD, which was red, which was green, is now. Look at the sell-off on AMD. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh let's see. What else? Dollar General is the Dollar General is the only one that's doing good. The stock market is going down. Dollar General is going up. Wow. More pain, bro. I got to change the contract. I got my contracts loaded, and I want to jump in so bad on this ride down, but I know I'm chasing right now. If I was to jump in, I'm chasing. Big Lord Shadow. See, that's why you don't chase. Big Lord Shadow. This is why you don't chase right here. Big Lord Shadow. Big Lord Shadow. Man, why I keep doing this, bro? They go to SPY. Big Lord Shadow also on the SPY. Let's see. Uh-oh, big upper shadow. Big lower shadow. Big upper shadow. Thank you for hitting the like button. Man, this stock market is selling off on this Friday. But I need Walmart to sell off. I need Walmart to get under $90 so I can buy some on the long-term side. I need Walmart to sell off. I need Walmart to sell off even more. I need Walmart up under $90. Let's see what's up with Tesla. Same scenario. Everything is following the SPY, which, I mean, all these companies are inside of the SPY. So all of these companies are inside of the SPY. The SPY, this is the S&P 500. Top 500 companies in America, which Nvda, Tesla, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, AMD, all of these companies are inside of the S&P 500, Nvidia. I love Nvidia so much because it really moves. As we see, I'm thinking because this low of the day is 135.24. It's not an odd number, it's an even number. So I'm thinking that we're getting close to bottoming out for the day. We're getting close to bottoming out. What does that mean, Stock Sniper? That means that this is the bottom and we're turning around to move back up. We're getting close to that because we had a lot of pain, a lot of it. We went from 141.04 to 135.24. Mass pain from 139 to 135. We opened at 139. That's a $4 drop. 3% drop in basically 30 minutes. And look, man. In 30 minutes, somebody took a short up here and it's still holding right now. Somebody took a short and held it all the way down. Wow. $135.24. Let me move this right here. I got to do these in channels so we can get a good idea of what's going on right now. Let's see if we're going to drop some more. 135.24. That's the support. Bro. What a sell-off. EMAs are pointing down. Whoo. More pain, bro. Bro. More pain. 135.07. Another odd number. Man. I want to see if Dollar General gonna turn red. We got 47 cents left. A 0.5% before Dollar General follows everybody else. Big sell-off today. Nvidia, 3.26%. SPY, 1.20%. Tesla, 4.75%. Microsoft, 2.25%. Facebook, 1.99%. Amazon, 2.5, bro, 1.8. SPYG, which basically is the SPY, 1.84. Bitcoin is selling off too, 1%. Robinhood, 4.3, 4.29%. Walmart down 1.20%. Let's see what Apple doing. Google, shout out to Google, 2.14%. Apple down 1.38%. Shout out to Google. Apple 1.32%. Bro, what a sell-off. That Christmas sell-off. And we still going down on Nvidia. We're still headed down. 137, 135.07. We are only, let me move back. Appreciate y'all for joining me. You could be doing anything else, but you're over here kicking it with the stock sniper. We've been, the market's been open for 45 minutes. Nothing but pain. I ain't gonna even lie. The human in me want to jump in. I want to jump in on the short for more downside. But I know I'll be chasing. It'll be against the rules if I jump in on the short side. But the human in me is telling me right now, jump in on the short. I already got the contracts loaded too. But that's against all rules of trading. It's too late. It's already been this big, huge pain. It's too late. Before the market opened this morning, I said, it's Friday, end of the year. It's going to be a sell-off. So what I should have did is instead of taking that 5%, the first 5 or 10 minutes of the market being open, I should have just snakeskin Randy and held it all the way down. That's what I should have did, but I didn't do it. So it wouldn't be smart for me to jump in right now. Basically the fear of missing out if I jump in right now. I can't do it. I won't do it. I can't do it and I won't do it. Let's see what's going to happen now. Yep, broke up the support again. Let's see what's going to happen. 137.07, 135.07. That is a odd number. But I think we are coming close to the bottom. We are getting close to the bottom. Stock market don't like odd numbers. So we got to go below this 135.07. So I know that 135.07 is not the bottom. Boom, told you. I know that already. Now we are up under the support of 135.23. 134.50 is the next support line. See, that's why I do homework. I got all these support lines already drawn in, but I think the 134.50, I moved it. Let's see. Boy, look at all that red. It's the 30-minute candle. It's the 30-minute candle right here. Time frame, not candle. Right, yeah. 134.50 is the next support line. $134.50 is the next support line. 134.74, that is a even number. Let's see what's gonna happen. We gotta bottom out soon, bro. It's too much pain, too much downside. Eventually, we gotta turn around. $134.74. We gotta turn around. It's too much pain. Look at all that, man. It's the 5-minute time frame. Bro, all this pain. 134.74. It's 9:20 in the morning. The market has not even been open an hour. 131.71, another odd. Man, we're going down even further, bro. 134.71. 134.71. Another odd number. Man, this stock market is crashing. The Walmart moves so doggone slow. That's why I don't day trade Walmart. Oh no, it moves too slow. Walmart, you supposed to be up under $90 already. See, the thing about this, might as well say, I ain't gonna even call it a crash. This down day is, a lot of people taking profits. Why a lot of people taking profit, Stock Sniper? Because it's finna get ready to be tax season for tax purposes. That's why. So I just need to find a bottom on the S&P 500 so I can take off my day trading hat and pick up some of these companies at a discount, which I don't think I will do that today because I think it's going to be more selling as we get close to the 31st. Hopefully, what I want Walmart under $90. That's what I got my eyes on. Walmart under $90. Long term. That's what I'm looking for. See, I already got my line and everything. Really, I wanted it at 88, but I missed that a few days ago. But I want it back right here. But since I didn't get it at 88, I have to settle for it. I got to get it for under 90. I need it for at least 90. So I needed to come back down. I missed my entry over here, but I'm not gonna miss it this time. I'm not gonna miss it this time. Oh no. 134.71. Now we are starting to go above the EMAs. We're starting to go above the EMAs. We know what that means on Nvidia. That if you've been watching, when it's above the EMAs and the EMAs are in their rightful position, it'll go to VWAP. This is going to be like a magnet to the VWAP. We already know that pattern. We already know it. We already know that pattern. Let's see if it's still in effect today. All the EMAs are up under the candle. Here's the VWAP. We see this time and time and time again, just about every single day. The EMAs are up under the candle. And once that happens, this VWAP line right here is like a magnet. This candle, push, all the way up here like a magnet. That's usually what happens. So I just missed, I could have took that entry. I missed it. The entry was right here. The break of the EMAs up here, that was the entry. But we need to get back to 136. We need to get back over 136. But we got that tail, that upper shadow. We got the upper shadow. We got that tail, which is the upper shadow. We got to get back above 135.90. We got to get back above this. The only thing that wasn't good was this upper shadow, this upper tail right here. But we got a lower tail now. So now we got to break this right here to keep it on going, to get above the 136 resistance line. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Another candle. Another candle. I feel like I've been here longer than an hour. We are still above the EMAs. We're building support right here. Up, rejected. $134.71. It's a lot going on. It's a lot going on right now. We got on the back of my mind, I know stock market don't like odd numbers as the low or the high of the day. That's going on. Also, what's going on is these EMAs, the break of the EMAs. That's all also what's going on. Then we got this upper shadow tail right here. That's what's going on. And we also got that magnet up to the VWAP. Also got that going on. So what's gonna come out in a better position? But we got to get over one. We got to get over this upper shadow line right here of 135.90. We got to get above 135.90 to execute this magnet up to the 135.50, 136.55 area of the VWAP. As we battling to stay above these EMAs. If we go back up under these EMAs, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. But we got all these upper shadows. Upper shadow, upper shadow. We got all these upper shadows forming, which could hold it down to bring it back down up under these EMAs. It's battling though. Yeah, they battling right now. It's a lot going on. So when there's a lot going on, best thing to do is do what I'm doing. Sit back and watch until the break of this or the break of this. Until the break of this resistance or the break of this support down here. Because that is an odd number. Stock market don't like odd numbers to end the day. Let's see what's about to happen. It is a Friday. Understand that. The volume is gone. A lot of people are gone. A lot of people are not trading. A lot of people are holding their hands, like what I'm doing right now. Is there enough volume, enough buyers to push it above this 130, 135.90 to break this 136 for the move on up to this VY? That's the question right now. But we got these upper shadow tails that's trying to keep it down. We got a lower shadow tail now. We're starting to build lower highs. That's why I put that trend line, that down trend line, is why I put it there. Always doing technical analysis. Always studying the chart pattern. We are up under the EMAs now. We're up under the EMAs. Now I'm starting to understand my analysis on what's going to happen. We are up under the EMAs. We're building higher lows. $135.23 break coming up. Which is also support. We got low volume, but it's red. There's selling going on. It looks like the bears are starting to take over to the downside. So what it looks like right now. Oh, there goes Jodo, the EMAs. There it go. There it go. Our market's been open for 1 hour. 1 hour. It's a lot going on in 1 hour. A lot has taken place in 1 hour on a Friday. Back above the EMAs. Bounced off of support. Let's see what's going to happen. We got to break this downtrend. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Another touch of the support line. 135.15. One hour. The market's been open 1 hour. I'm trying to wait to see if Dollar General gonna go red, but it don't look like that's happening at this point. There go another upper shadow. Upper shadow. $135.15. I don't want to make a line right here, but this is the support. This lower tail. We got to get up under there. See what's happening. A real interesting day to start off the day on the stock market. Real interesting. But see, in the back of my mind, I still got this 134.71 in the back of my mind. I still got this in the back of my mind. I don't think we'll see a real reversal until this is cracked. We have to wait and see. But I don't see a real reversal. But we got this odd number right here, the low right now. Up above that downtrend. Okay. 136. The next runner up. Starting to move sideways now. We are in a channel. We are in this resistance support channel. The ceiling, the floor. We are in a channel now. Starting to move sideways. We're starting to move sideways. $135.20. Yeah, moving real slow right now. Let's see what Tesla doing. The SPY is trying to battle a little bit to move on up the S&P 500. Still watching Nvda. Facebook, Amazon. Everything's been selling off. Starting to flatten out now. More and more people starting to leave. Volume getting real short. I got to eliminate that. That's irrelevant. Now we can see we clearly are inside this channel. As we move on up to 130, okay, here come a move. Can we get above the 135.90? Here come the magnet. $135.90. We over there. 136 coming up. Can we get above 136? Perfect resistance line. Wow. If you've been watching me for some months, you're starting to understand the support and resistance. That's the basics. Support and resistance. You're starting to understand that red line and that green line. That green line is the floor, the red line is the ceiling. We get bounces on support, we get rejection on the ceiling. If you've been watching me for some months, you should be starting to understand what's happening here. If you don't know what's happening, if you've been watching for a while, you should understand. Start to understand that the support and the resistance is really the main focus of how when you start to understand chart reading. These lines is not the thing you should be focusing on if you don't know absolutely anything about this. You have to learn how to establish support and resistance. That's the first layer of day trading. That's why day trading is not for everybody, bro. It's not. You got to sit here and look and read it. You know, you got to love. You have to love doing this that I'm doing. I love doing this. You got to love. You got to love this. That's why 95% of day traders fail. That's why they don't love the charts. Greed, no patience. That's why 95% of day traders fail. They don't want to take the time to learn how to read these charts. They don't want to go to school, in other words. They don't want to go to school. They just want to make money right now. And then when it don't happen, they turn around and say day trading is gambling. Okay, now we're coming up on higher lows. Bounce, bounce. We're coming up on high lows as we get ready to break that resistance line. Maybe that 134.71 was the bottom, y'all. Maybe it was. See what I'm considering doing right now is getting in on a call contract and hold it to the first of the year. I'm seeing clear. Okay, we broke that 136.05. We broke that 136.05. Okay, there goes that tail. We got to get above this 136.40. We got to get above that VY. We got to get above this VY. Double bottom. $135.70. Let's see. Okay, I got to move this down to right there, 135.50. That's a support line. $134.97. I'm just that, yeah, perfect support line. Yeah. One. Yeah, that's the support. Man, that was the bounce off the support line, y'all. $134.70. $132, $133. All these were resistance lines. They are now, because old resistance hold up as new support. I got to change these to green because they are support lines now. 133. If you didn't catch on what I was just doing homework for the future. That's all. We bounced off the old support. Old resistance hold up as new support. We just bounced off of that. We're trying to work above this VY. We're trying to get back above this VY. $136.02. 9:50. Hour and 20 minutes in. I want to see it touch this 136.40. It's going to be kind of difficult because of it's not really that much volume. So it might be another 10 or 15 minutes. Let's see what the SPY doing. Same thing, trying to recover. Tesla trying to recover. Everything is trying to recover. I think we found the bottom. I think that was the bottom. Everything is bottom out. Everything is bottoming out. Except Dollar General, the only one that's green today. Everything looks like it's found the bottom. QB. AMD. Looks real good. AMD looking real good. Looking to get in, not on a day trade, but on a multi-day hold. That's what I'm looking to do right now before I leave. Because with this big sell-off, with this big sell-off, I'm looking to get in on the wholesale and hold it for about a week. That's what I'm looking to do right now. Yeah, that's what I'm looking to do. Because I pretty much got a good, I got a good idea that with today's sell-off, that's a dip buy. Where's AMD? Nvda. Yeah. We're gonna get that together right now. See. Theta, delta. I want to wait until we get over the VWAP. I want to wait till we get over this VWAP. Because once we get a clear break of the VWAP, I think I pretty much know more buyers are going to start coming in. But we have found the bottom. Bro. $135. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Move this. Now that's resistance. Right up to there. $136.37. Just waiting to see if we're gonna break this VWAP. I got my contract already loaded. Got the uptrend line crack. But I will not pull the trigger until we get over this VWAP. But if we go back up under this uptrend and then the EMAs go above the candle and we start headed down, I would have to just delay my entry. But if we go above this 136.36, that's when I will be pulling the trigger. On a multi-day hold. I got my contract set out 2 weeks out, which I won't be holding it the whole 2 weeks. but we got to get above this 136.36. Right now, we're breaking the uptrend. It's 10 o'clock right now. Been on here an hour and a half. I want to get this entry. I probably will get it later, but I kind of want to get it right now. I don't want to miss my entry like I did on my Walmart. I missed my Walmart entry because I was out and about and I got the alert, but evidently I didn't pay attention to it. And I don't like sending a limit order. I don't like doing it. I like to do it myself. I don't like sending a limit order and then just let it work itself. I don't like doing that. So I missed my Walmart entry, and I really don't want to miss this entry right here. I know if I leave this desk and go out and about and move around, I'm not going to really pay attention to the alert like that. And I am not setting an order. I want to see the alert, get back on the chart, look, see how everything is looking, and then pull the trigger. But yeah, that's a no-go. We're back up under the EMAs to the downside. But like I said, also we got this 134.71 odd number down here. My plan B would be a double bounce off this bottom. Another bounce off this bottom. That's plan B. Yeah, another bounce off this bottom right here. That really is should have been plan A, but I missed it because I be on here running my mouth. I missed plan A. So now I'm actually really on plan C. Plan A was the double bounce. If I'd really been paying attention to the 30-minute, I'd have, caught that long time ago. But I've been running my mouth. But I've caught it now. Hopefully I can get this bounce again. If not, I just have to get in. Plan B would be if we get above this VWAP, which is the 136.36. But since we are going down the VWAP, it will go down as well. It will also go down with it. 10:03. I'm on a little bit longer than I like to be on a Friday because I really want to get this entry. We broke that uptrend. Now the EMAs are back on top of the candle. If you've been watching, you pretty much should understand what that indicates. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you pretty much know what's about to happen right now. We got an idea of what's going to happen. We go. Look down yonder, as they say. Look down yonder. God, man. Well, yeah, I think I'm ending right here, man. I don't like the. If y'all been watching me, you also know I don't like this wishy-washy up down, wishy-washy up down. But I am trying to get my position. Now it won't be a day trade; it'll be a multi-day hold, maybe a week or so, maybe 3 or 4 days. But it's gonna be multiple night holds. But I just need to get over that 136.35 or the bounce off of the support line right here of 134.70. That's the only way I would take this position. So 5% on the day. I wish I could have caught all of this pain, but I like to minimize my risk and maximize my rewards. And when I'm green, I take it. That's what I do over here. I wish I could have took this because I called it from the beginning of the day, but I didn't take it and I didn't snake skin Randy all the way down. I didn't do that. But it's all right. Green is green. We ain't greedy. We take what we got and we make a move and we move on. The most important thing is that we study these charts and worry about the rest on the back end. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Earn, spend less, and invest. Right? We're coming into 225. It's time to rock and roll. Earn, spend less, and invest. 704 Wall Street. That's my block. Yeah, 704 Wall Street is my block. I appreciate all y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate everybody that's been tuning in and kicking it. If you ain't really down with the stock market, as far as day trading, but you just been watching me to show the support, I love and I appreciate you, man. If you ain't know by now, we all monetized over here. YouTube, that's why I've been shouting out Google, because they went on and monetized the channel. So now we are also not only Google shareholders, we are also Google customers. Now we are also Google partners. So shout out to Google for monetizing the channel. I've been working really hard on growing this, and actually I really love it now. So I really don't worry about the numbers anymore because I love it. And that's the thing that I preach over here. Once you find something you love to do, you master it. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm about. That's what the Stock Sniper is all about. Find something you love to do and master it. It might not be content creation. It might not be day trading. It might not be truck driving, because I am a 20-year retired truck driver and I hated it. But now I'm doing things that I really love to do that fits my personality, fits my lifestyle. I love teaching people. I love showing people where the water is. All you got to do is drink it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody should be investing, though. You should be investing long term. Your kids, your grandkids will thank you for it. So with that being said, this is the Stock Sniper. I love and I appreciate y'all. To the next video, to the next live stream. I love and I appreciate y'all. Can't say that enough. I'm out. Woo! Let's go.